times, temperatures, and terms to remember exam Ks. USDA, FSIS. Inspection and quality grading, meat, poultry, dairy, eggs and fruit/veg shipped across state lines. FDA/USDA/CDC/NMFS/EPA. Federal agencies involved in setting standards, inspections and regulations know what each of these is responsible for, in general. TCS. Time and temperature control for safety, no foods on list and book. Alert. Food Defense Program by FDA. Assure, look, employees, reports, threat. This is acronym used to develop a food defense program for an operation and identify key points where food is at risk. Training need. Knowledge gap between what employees know and need to know. Distance shelves, food, and equipment needs to be off floor. 6 inches. Minimum temp. For sanitizing step of warewashing sink. 171 degrees Fahrenheit 82 degrees Celsius. Receding temp for shell eggs and shellfish. 45 degrees Fahrenheit 7 degrees Celsius. EPA. Air and water quality plus use of pesticides and sanitizers, handling waste. pH range where pathogens grow best. 4.6 to 7.5. Min temp, CKD veg, fruit, commercially prepared foods, hot holding. 135 degrees Fahrenheit 57 degrees Celsius. 6 wise employees prevent food allergen mistakes. Soy, wheat, eggs, peanuts, fish, milk, avoid cross-contact and alert/inform customers. Custom and border control. Food from foreign countries, just alert process. Minimum temp for meats, fish and eggs cooked to order. 145 degrees Fahrenheit 63 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. CDC. Investigate outbreaks, epidemiological studies, point FDA where to go, source of outbreak, 2 systems, FoodNet and PulseNet, laboratory results, compare DNA core, new, CCP. Critical control point, identify risks as second step in HACCP plan, prioritize TCS, point where operations can prevent, eliminate or reduce foodborne illness hazards. Water temperature for handwashing. 100 degrees Fahrenheit 38 degrees Celsius. Receiving and cold storage temperature. 41 degrees Fahrenheit 5 degrees Celsius. Length of time you need to keep shell stock tags, after last use. 90 days. Fathom. Food, acid, temperature, time, oxygen, moisture, pathogens need these. UHT/aseptic. Ultra-high temp pasteurization, processing, /microorg. Free packaging, FIFO. First in, first out, inventory method to assure use of oldest product first. Coving. Curved sealed edge between floor and wall, also on sinks. FDA. Additives, labeling, inspects FS operations that cross state borders, manufacturers and processors, trains, etc., and under FDA, temperature danger zone. 41 degrees Fahrenheit to 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 5 degrees Celsius to 57 degrees Celsius, NSF/LF. Organizations which certify equipment, sanitation approved, for use in food service operation. Range of bimetallic thermometer. 0 degrees Fahrenheit to 220 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 18 degrees Celsius to 104 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature of sanitizing cycle of dishwasher. 180 degrees Fahrenheit 82 degrees Celsius. IPM/PCO. Integrated Pest Management/Pest Control Operator, Prevention and Control, Air Gap. Airspace to prevent a cross-connection, dirty, clean water supply. Recommended dry storage area temperature. 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius to 21 degrees Celsius. MSDS/HOSHCOM. Material Safety Data Sheet/Hazard Communication Plan. Employees, National Marine Fisheries. Department of Commerce, Voluntary Inspection, Fish Processing. Reputable source. Reputable source approved supplier, inspected, meets all laws, and uses GAP or GMP, HACCP. Hazard analysis critical control point, process to identify and control risks through the flow of food. Length of time to wash/scrub hands, 20 seconds for entire process. 10 to 15 seconds. Lighting required in food preparation area. 50-foot candles, 540 lux. Min temp, cooking poultry, reheating leftovers and microwave cooking. 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. Min temp, cooking ground meats, injected meats and fresh eggs, hot held. 155 degrees Fahrenheit 68 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds.